Japan, World War II, and the dropping of the atomic bombs. World War II began in 1939 as a conflict between the Axis powers, which included Germany, Japan, and Italy, and the Allied powers, which included England, the United States, and the Soviet Union. Initially, the United States was reluctant to get involved in the war, but following Japan's bombing of Pearl Harbor, a U.S. naval base in Hawaii, the United States entered the conflict. The U.S. went to war in both Europe and the Pacific, fighting against Germany and Japan. Due to fears that Germany was developing an atomic bomb, the United States created the Manhattan Project to research and develop an atomic weapon for the Allies. 3 years and $2 billion later, the Manhattan Project successfully developed an atomic bomb. On July 16th of 1945, the first atomic bomb was tested in a desert in New Mexico. With the war in Europe coming to a close following the death of Hitler, the United States was looking for a way to quickly end their war with Japan. Following the surrender of Germany, Manhattan Project scientists petitioned President Truman not to use the bomb as a way to end the war. Fearing that a prolonged war with Japan would result in tens of thousands of American deaths, President Truman searched for the best available option for ending the war in the Pacific. Truman decided that the atomic bomb was the best available option for forcing Japan to surrender. The first atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima on August 6th of 1945. 3 days later, a second bomb was dropped on Nagasaki. Over 200,000 people died due to the bombing, and people in Japan continue to die due to the effects of radiation exposure. Japan formally surrendered on September 2nd of 1945, ending the Second World War.